Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. So, Krishna is the master of the senses. The whole world is struggling for sense gratification. Here is the simple philosophic truth that first of all let enjoy, let Krishna enjoy. He is the master. And then you enjoy. Tena tattena bhunjita risho manusya. Everything belongs to Krishna. Ishavasam idam sarvam. Everything belongs to Krishna. This is the mistake. Everything belongs to Krishna, but we are thinking everything belongs to me. This is illusion. Aham mameti. Aham mameti. Janasya mohoyam. Aham mameti. This is illusion. Everyone is thinking I am this body, and everything whatever we find in this world, that is to be enjoyed by me. This is the mistake of civilization. The knowledge is everything belongs to God. I can take only whatever He gives me kindly. Alas, tena tattena punjita. This is not Vaishnava philosophy. This is the fact. Nobody is proprietor. Ishavasam. Every Krishna says, I am in charge. I am the proprietor. Sarvalupa Maheswaram. Mahaiswaram. Maha means great. We can claim Ishwaram, controller. But Krishna is described as Mahaiswaram, controller of the controller. That is Krishna. Nobody is independently controller. So, therefore Krishna is described Rishikesha. Rishikena Rishikesha Sevanam Bhakti Ruchyate. And bhakti means to serve Rishikesh by the Rishik. Rishik means senses. Krishna is the master of the senses, and therefore whatever senses I have got, that master is Krishna, proprietor is Krishna. So when our senses are engaged in the satisfaction of the master of the senses, that is called bhakti. This is the definition of bhakti, devotional service. And when the senses are engaged for sense gratification, not for the master, that is called kama. Kama and prema. Prema means to love Krishna and do everything for satisfaction of Krishna. That is prema, love. And kama means everything done for the satisfaction of my senses. This is the difference. The sense is the medium. Either you do it, satisfy your senses, or you satisfy Krishna's senses. But when you satisfy Krishna's senses, you become perfect. And when you satisfy your senses, you become imperfect, illusion. Because you cannot satisfy your senses. That is not possible without Krishna. Rishikena Rishikesha Sevanam Bhakti Richa. Therefore, one has to purify the senses. At the present moment, everyone is trying to satisfy his senses. Aham mameti. Janasya mohoyam. Pumsang striyami punibhavameta. The whole material world is that there are two living entities, male and female. The male is trying also to satisfy his senses, and the female is also trying to satisfy her senses. Here the so-called love means there is no love. It cannot be. Because the man and woman, nobody is trying to satisfy the other party's senses. Everyone is trying to satisfy his or her senses. A woman is loving a man for satisfying her senses, and the man is loving a woman for satisfying. Therefore, as soon as there is some little disturbance in the sense gratification, divorce. I don't want. Because the central point is personal sense gratification. But we can make a picture, so what? Oh, I love you so much, I love you. There is no love, it is all karma, lust. In the material world there cannot be possibility of love, it is not possible. The so-called cheating. Cheating only. I love you because you are beautiful, it will satisfy my senses. Because you are young, it will satisfy my senses. This is the word. Material world means this. The whole basic principle of this material world is sense gratification. Janamaithunadi grihamedi sukham mitucham kanduanena karayo rivadukka dukkham. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna